for our slime snowman, you need liquid glue, contact solution, white glitter, a stick, 2 googly eyes, an orange triangle, black buttons, a box or a bowl, and a plastic bag. Take the box and pour in some liquid glue. Add some glitter. And a few drops of contact solution. Use your stick and stir everything. If it's not slimy enough, you need to add more contact solution. If it's not getting slimy enough, you can also add some baking soda. Now you can make your slimy snowman. Once you finish playing with your snowman, you can put him in a bag and get him out whenever you want.